Hi, so carrying on, inside one of the boxes from the last question is an old clock. Willem takes the clock to be valued. It is valued at £56. The clock has decreased in value by 30% from last year. Calculate how much the clock was worth last year. So the clock's starting value, and then it was decreased by 30%. So the multiplier for decreasing by 30% is 0.7. So if you lose 30% and you start at 100, you are by definition at 70%. So timesing by 0.70, so we're taking 70% of the original value and we arrive at £56. So now what we do is we solve for s effectively. So we have that 0.7s is equal to 56. So dividing both sides by 0.7, we arrive at s equals 56 divided by 0.7, which is the same as 560 over 7 if I times both the top and bottom by 10, and then this is quite simply 80. So it's £80. And again, remembering U units because this is numeracy. Okay, so allow me to adjust this so that I can get both of these on the same page. So on the 1st of July every year, Trevor estate agents record the time from when a phone rings to when it is answered. The time taken to answer the phone is recorded in seconds. And then for 2018, there's a box plot, and for 2019, the cumulative frequency graph is given. So using these two, we're going to answer this set of questions here. So what is the range of times taken to answer the phone for the 1st of July 2018? So what is the length of this box plot effectively? Remembering that this is the maximum and this is the minimum. Given my pencil, you may not be able to see that I've written that easily, but this is the minimum, this is the maximum. So I cover 10 boxes and I cover 20, so each box is worth 2, and this is 4 boxes away from 120, so this would be 112. And then this is 4 boxes away from 0, so this is 8. So the answer here is 112 take away 8, which is 104, so it is this one here. Whereas the maximum possible range of values for the time taken to answer the phone on the 1st of July 2019. So the time taken to answer 0 was 20 seconds, and then the time taken to answer at the end was, and again, is this, yes it is, it's two per box, so this is 106 by here, and this is 20. So the answer here would be 106 take away 20, which is 86 seconds. So it's this one here. The manager of Trevor Estate Agents claims that there's been an improvement in median time taken to answer the phone from 2018 to 2019. Is this true? So the median value, so 2018 median. So let's find this, it's this line here. So I get this to be 1 box away from 80, so it's 78 seconds. And then let's find the median here. So the total cumulative frequency for this one is 80, so the median would be at 40. And then I read this down. So, and it's 2 boxes away from 60, so it would be 56. So 2019 median equals 56 seconds. So the statement was there's been an improvement in the median time, and yes, there certainly has. It's significantly less. I think it's 22 seconds quicker. So part D, complete the following statement. So on the 1st of July 2018, 75% of phone calls were answered within blank seconds, so finding the upper quartile. So for 2018, that's the box plot, it is 100. So it is 100 seconds, so 1 mark for that. And the seconds is already given to you. On the 1st of July 2019, 75% of the phone calls were answered within blank seconds. So again, the upper quartile. So it's 80, so we're looking for 75% of the way through the data. So we're looking for the 60 mark, and let's draw a line across. And remember, it's important to draw these lines because otherwise it looks like a guess. So you do get marks for drawing these lines. So that's 2 boxes, that's 1 box away from 70, so it is 72. So I get 72 seconds for that one. Okay, I'm going to move this away, and we're going to finish up by doing this last bit. So Mr. Aston lives at 137 Fleur de Hull. So he is ordering some new signs for his house and for his gate post from a website. So there's this sign. All the signs available on the website are mathematically similar. This simply means that there's a constant you can times by to get from one to the other. He selects a rectangular sign for the front of his house. It has a length of 42 centimeters and a height of 24. So 42, 24. And the heights of the digits are on the sign are all 18 centimeters high. Okay. So I'm assuming this means that they're at the 18 centimeter mark. So they're here. So 1, 3, 7, and that's 18. So calculate the heights of the digits on the next one. So the rectangular sign he's considering buying has a height of 20 centimeters. So what we effectively have is this is 20, and we need to find what this height here is effectively. So what do I times 24 by to get to 20? So 24 times by something is equal to 20. So therefore this is equal to 20 divided by 24, which is 5/6. So what we need to do is we need to find 5/6 of 18. So 18, so 5/6 of 18. So 18 again is times by 5/6, and that's the same as doing fraction of an amount. So dividing by 6, we get 3. So the way, just to reiterate, to do a fraction of an amount, you divide by the denominator and then times by the numerator. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. And I'll do this formally here. Divided by 6 is 3. And then we have 3 times by 5 equaling 15 centimeters. So the height of the digits is at 15 centimeters.